Hello everyone, very good morning. Are you able to hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So, who we have? Rishabh, Ritesh, Mani, Shubhi, Meghna. Okay. So, we have a few people, holiday time. So, very less people. Heram, Divya, Rishabh, Dhanya. Okay, Siddharth. Yes, very good morning. Let's start. So, today I was thinking of focusing on these topics. And in the end, we'll discuss about the extra class. First, let's complete some. Okay. Some more people may join, so we'll do in the end the discussion. So today I'm thinking we'll do this topic problem on numbers, problems on edges, ratio problems, all those. As I said, right? If once we learn this concept of, see, we have done number system, full percentage, PLD, ratio, proportion, partnership, and then we did time and work in pipeline system. And last topic was mixture allocations, right? Mixture allocation and average. So today we are going to use all those concepts of ratio, proportion, percentage. We'll do some problem on edges, problem numbers, problem coins, all those. Okay. Good enough. This is what agenda for today. Right, I will start with the problems and that will help. From that, we'll know the concepts or whatever you read. Okay, everybody, GTG, everyone, shall we start? Give me 1 second. Content. First, we'll start with problem on edges, and then let's see how you will come up with more. Problem on edges works in a very, very simple way. G to G, perfect, superb. So let me start. Let's talk first of problem on edges. Very important topic. Many exam, not in many, in all exam you get this. See, I'll tell you one simple concept of problem on edges is always mute, please, mute, please. You should always talk about three scenarios: past, present, and future. Whatever name is given, whatever, should always try to get these three, because these three are very important for any question. There will always be past information, present information, future. That is the maximum. For example, let me give some question here. And we'll talk more about the conceptual perspective, and then we'll do more for. First, let's understand first question with the problem of edges based on how we use present, past, and future thing. Give me 1 more second. I don't know in ratio we have done or not. If you have done or tell me, will do some different example. Tell me whether we have done this kind of this question. Did I do this question or this kind of question or not? Tell me quickly. Have I done this question in my ratio proportion? I don't remember. If not, let's do now. I'll explain you this question Very easy way of doing it, and we have to focus on the how part. Okay, so let's start. I'll solve this question. When I say 10 years ago, many people do this kind of question wrong. Okay, should we unmute?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So everybody listen how we are going to do this. So let's go, Shubhi. First, read the first line.
10 years ago, the age of Karishma was one-third of the age of
So 10
Babita.
years ago, correct?
Yes, sir.
First of all, which are the two people we have?
Karishma and Babita.
Listen, guys, the way we should do it. Any problem in any level you can solve very easily. So we have Karishma. Let me make it. And we have Babita, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, read the first line again, please.
10 years ago, the age of
10 years
Karishma.
ago, correct?
Yes, yes,
So
sir.
it's a past thing.
Yes, sir.
So we are talking about 10 years ago, past thing. So let me write here first. Again, this is just to conception. 10 years ago, right? Or you can say minus 10. That is more easy to know, right? 10 years ago. Okay. Now, Karishma age was one third of the age of Babita.
Yes, sir.
In this kind of question, we have to always assume using some variable x, y, z. When you say Karishma was one third of the age of Babita, so we can say if Karishma is x, Babita would be 3x, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Because Karishma is one third. So Karishma age is less. So this is the age we got. Why so
Yes.
much noise? Okay. So first equation, guys, whatever, so we know this is the past age, 10 years ago. And why we said x and 3x, I don't taken x by 3 because I don't want fractions. So now tell me, Shubhi, if 10 years ago Karishma age was x, what would be her present age? 10 years ago it was x.
So x plus 10.
X plus 10, obviously, right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
X plus 10. What would be age of Babita at present?
3x plus 10.
Plus 10. So that way, just reading the first line, I can get past age and present age. Please read the second line now.
14 years hence, the ratio of age of Karishma and Babita will be 5:9.
Now, the biggest thing is when you say 14-year hence, a lot of people get confused. Sorry, 14-year hence from the we're talking about from that point or from the present point. There are two different way of thinking. One is we're talking about it was x, hence from that, or I have to mute everyone. Wait, Shubhi, you can unmute now.
Yes, sir.
So, what is this given? 14 hence from where? From this x or from this or from the present?
So from the present.
From the present, guys. It is not from x k x plus 14. No. It's a 14 hence means this sentence was different. This sentence was about the past. Finished. New sentence. 14 hence. 14 years from present.
Present.
You can say plus 14 years.
Yes.
14 years from the present. So, if Karishma was x plus 10 at present, what will be age of Karishma in after 14 years?
X plus 4.
No. Presently she is x plus 10.
X plus 14.
14 years later from now, not from
Yes,
x.
sir.
So it will be x plus 10 is present, right?
Yes, sir.
And 14 years later, right?
Yes, sir.
See, should be in everyone. 14 years hence from the present age. Present, what is present age?
X plus 10.
So 14 will add here, right?
Yes, sir.
So
X
x
plus
plus
10 plus
24.
14. Yes,
So
sir.
it become x plus 24. That is one
Okay.
of the mistakes people do. Similarly, what would be age of Babita after 14 years?
3x plus 10 plus 14.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now question says that ratio is given as 5:9. This ratio, I put a ratio in between. This ratio is given as 5:9.
Yes, sir.
Now very simple equation, right? You can form a
Yes.
simple equation, solve it. That's it, Shubhi. So let me solve it for everybody. Thank you, Shubhi.
Thank you.
Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So guys, this is how you form it. Now any question like that you can form and solve anything. So how to solve it? Very easy. I'll just write in the right side how to solve. Put a cross multiplication and solve this. For example, x plus 24 by meaning of that only ratio is this only, right? And that is given as 5:9. You have to simply solve and get the value of x. To solve that, if I take 3 out here, it becomes 8. If I cancel 3 and 3, just to make it simple, I cancel this 3 with 3. And then I do the cross. As usual, any question on algebra, we can do cross. So it becomes 5x plus 5 into 8, 40 equal to 3x plus 24 into 72. Or 2x equal to 32, x equal to 16. That's it. X equal to 16. No, we only got the value of x. We don't got the answer yet. It's just the variable value, guys. Right? We need the ratio of the present age. The present age is this. That's why I say past, present, future. If x is 16, how much is x plus 10? 16 plus 10, this becomes 26. Ratio 3x plus 10, 16 3 are 48, 10 58. So ratio is 26 versus 58. Or if you simplify, ratio becomes 13 versus 29. That's it. So answer for this question will be 13 versus 29. 13 is to 29. But more than getting the answer, we have to understand any question on problem on edges will involve maximum either the past, present, future. Just form these 3 scenarios, you can solve easily. So tell me anybody any confusion.
So can you please explain how x plus 8 arrived?
No, 3x plus 24 was there, right?
Yes, sir.
3 out.
Yes, sir.
You take 3 out, how much become?
Okay. So that
3x
will
plus
be 8.
24, yes.
Okay.
That is to simplify.
Okay, sir.
Any other question, anyone? How to handle problem on edges? Let me give another question then. Let's try next question now. If no confusion, let's try next question. This time I want you to solve and tell me. I'll give you 40 seconds and then we'll discuss. We'll do 3-4 problems on problem edges so that everybody is super solid on that.
So,
yes, please.
So in the last question, I'm sorry. So in the last question, the x value was 16.
Right.
So after that, how did we get the ratio? Because the ratio was 5:9, no?
No. See, what was the question last time? Where was my... This was right?
Yes, sir.
X you got 16?
Yes, sir.
What the question is asking?
Find the ratio of their present ages.
What is present age of Karishma?
Present age of Karishma is 10 plus x plus 10.
What is x?
16.
16 plus 10?
Okay, so that will
Karishma
be
is 26.
26, yes. Sir.
How much is Babita?
3x plus 10.
कितना होगा? X you know?
Yes, sir.
16 to 3, 48 plus 10, 58. Agree?
Yes, sir.
What is ratio of these two? This ratio.
Okay.
So you simplify because both are simplified by divide by 2.
Yes, sir.
13 versus 29.
Okay, sir.
So it's all about, that's why I'm saying x is just the variable. X is no significance. What matters is what the question asks, whether they're asking this or this or this. It all depends on the question.
Okay, sir.
That's why I say just get the value variable. They also may ask what was the ratio of their age 5 years ago. Can somebody find same question? Find the ratio of their ages of 5 years ago. How will do this?
So x plus 10.
5 years ago. Everybody, same question.
X minus 5.
Exactly. So it is not x minus 5. X plus 10 minus 5.
Minus 5.
Find the ratio of their ages 5 years ago. So what are you going to do? 5 years ago, see, presently Karishma is 26, right?
Yes, sir.
You can use that only. Presently Karishma is 26. So
Yes,
5
sir.
years ago will be 21.
Yes, sir.
Presently Babita is 58.
Yes, sir.
5 years ago will be 53. Done.
Okay.
We can use this also, or we can use this also. If today is x plus 10, earlier is x minus x plus 5 only, right?
Yes, sir.
This will be 3x plus 5. So whichever way to guys, we can always find out any problem on this, right? Shubhi?
Yes, sir. So instead of x plus 10, we can even use x plus 5.
When this is there, this will not
Okay,
change.
okay.
This will x plus 10 only. But when
Yes.
finally you need to find a ratio is 5 years ago.
Hmm.
So 5 years ago will be x plus 10 minus 5. Means x plus 5, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 3x plus 10 minus 5. So finally what we need depends on the question statement.
Okay, sir.
But forming equation will be based on initial water information given. Let's solve 2-3 questions more. Everybody will be exactly okay. Fine. Next. Please try everyone this. Everyone try this, please. Present ages of Gaurav and Saurav are in the ratio this. After 6 years, the age will be in the ratio this much. What is Gaurav's present age? Okay, Mushahid gave something. So I'll write Gaurav, I'll write Saurav. Just for my reference, I am writing past because I may ask question. Past, present, future. Everybody may attempt. I'll solve after 30 seconds. Meghna, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Meghna. How shall we start this question? Approach.
For the present age of Gaurav and Saurav are in the ratio of 6.6 ratio 7. The
6 to 7.
present age is 6 ratio 7, Gaurav and Saurav.
So we'll assume at 6x and 7x.
6
We always
x
use the correct?
yes, correct. Sir.
Okay, read the next line.
After the 6th year, their ages will be in the ratio of 15 ratio and 17.
So if Gaurav is 6x present, what will Gaurav say after 6 years?
6x plus 15.
6x plus 6 ना? No, 15, 17 तो बाद में देखेंगे. That is a different. After
after
6 years.
yeah.
देखो तुम्हारा एज आज 20 है, तो after 6 year क्या होगा?
Oh,
20
yes, sir,
plus 6, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So present age is 6x. So after 6 years plus 6.
Plus 6.
So what will be Saurav's age after 6 years?
7x plus 6.
That's it. Tell me, Meghna, if same question I asked you, कि Gaurav
Yes,
is
sir.
6x today, What was
Yes.
his age 3 years ago? So what you will say?
6x plus 6, 3.
6x 3 years ago.
3 years ago, then minus 3.
That's it. 6x minus 3, correct?
Yes.
That is the way we do solve the equation. So now we got their age after 6 years will be this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And read the what is ratio given.
15:17.
And that is given for age after 6 years, future age, right?
Yes, sir.
15:7. So what equation you can form? This is given as 15:17. So this our equation becomes right. 6x plus 6 ratio 7x plus 6, and that is equal to 15:17, right, Meghna?
Yes, sir.
So how to solve is simply cross multiply. Agree? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So let's solve this. Now to solve this, I'll take x out here also. 6 out. It become easy for me. 6x plus 16 because I don't want big numbers. Small numbers is better. Now even if I want to make it small, 3 to the 3 5 times. Now do the cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication 7x into 5 35x plus 30, and this gives me 7 to the 34 34x plus 34. Cross multiply normally, guys. So x equal to 4. X is just the 4, guys. Now x is 4, we can get anything what we want. X is 4. Question is, what is Gaurav's present age? Obviously Gaurav is 6x. X is 4. So obviously it is 6 into 4, 24. 24 years. Right, everybody? Yes, Meghna, Ritesh, Siddharth. Now if I change the question, if I say, what was, I'm writing the question in the red in the below. Next question on this. What was age of Saurabh 4 years ago? Tell me, everybody. What was the age of Saurabh 4 years ago? Saurabh, Siddharth, not Gaurav. Saurabh, I'm asking. Mushahid, what's the answer? Siddharth, what's the answer and why? Please unmute and speak.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Mushahid here, sir.
Yes, Mushahid. Age of Saurabh
Yes,
4
sir.
years ago. So what are you going to do?
Yes, sir. As we got that x is equal to 4, then
Correct.
7 into 4 is 28. That is present is 28. Then 4 years ago is 24.
That's it. So 7 into 4 minus 4, 28 minus 4, 24 years. That's it. So easy. Thank you.
Yes.
Let me ask one more question. Rishabh, tell me, what was the age of Gaurav 10 years ago? Tell me, everybody, right? Rishabh, tell me. Rishabh, are you there? Mani Pritam, what's the answer and why? Correct. It is, see, age of the Gaurav 10 years ago. Currently is 6x. 10 years ago is 6x minus 10. So 6 for 24, 24 minus 10, 40. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, it's all about just getting the value x. Uske baad you can find this, you can find this, you can find this, you can find this, you can find anything. It's an easy question, right?
Sir,
Yes, please.
according to the question which you have given, Gaurav's age is 30, no?
6x. X is 4, na?
Plus 6, we will not do plus 6, sir.
That is the future.
अच्छा, that is after 6. Okay.
हाँ, इधर ये past present future लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे शुभी.
हाँ, ठीक है sir.
Next question, please. Let's see who can solve this. Ratio between not percent. What is this? Present. This question is more about ratio rather than the edges, which all of you know how to solve. We already discussed this, how to solve ratio, compound ratio. Anyone? Yeah, it is too easy question. I'll give you, see, it is not problem edges, it is just the ratio question. Let me solve very easily. Shivam, unmute. Ram and Rahim 3:2. Rahim and Aman. Okay. 5:2. Now we need ratio pair of Ram and Aman. It means we need to make a compound ratio. Remember we learned compound ratio? This one ratio, this one ratio. How we combine? So center point is Rahim, just make it same. We need to make compound ratio of Ram, Rahim, Aman. So if we multiply this ratio with 5, this ratio with 2, we get both Rahim as 10. Let's start. So Ram become 5 into 3, 15. Rahim become 10. And here Rahim become 10. It's an oral question. 4. So now Ram versus Rahim, Rahim versus Aman. Or if I want to write in one line, I can say Ram, Rahim, Aman. Ram is 15, Rahim is 10, whichever 10 you take, Aman is 4. Question was, present age of Ram and Aman, 15 versus 4, that's it. Modit, we learned in ratio this, how to make a compound ratio, right? We have to make we have discussed this basic concept. How to make compound ratio, how to combine these two ratios. The center point, Rahim, they should be same. So 2 and 5. How make both as same? Here I is 2, here I is 5. We make this into 5, this into 2. So both becomes 10. Objective is to make a compound ratio. That's it. So answer for this question is 15:4. Is everyone understood? Clear? This we already learned. We don't want to repeat again. We already learned this, how to do compound ratio in our ratio class. Moving on. Please try one more question. Please try this. Everyone, please. Thirty-six, okay. Thirty-six, okay. Haram, how shall we solve this?
Kavita, Sarita, past, present, future.
Correct.
Sarita's age would be X, so Kavita 2X in present.
Okay, let me quickly write here because we can modify some question on here. Past, present, future. Yes, please tell me. Presently, Kavita is twice of Sarita's age. What do you assume Sarita's age?
X.
You are right. If Sarita is X, Karishma would be 2X, correct?
In present, na?
In present, you are right. In present. Okay?
हाँ.
Now,
In
8 years hence. मतलब क्या? Future, right?
2X plus 8.
2X plus 8. Very easy. Then, Sarita would be?
X plus 8.
X plus 8. And what is given 22:13?
Ratio.
Ratio of which age?
Future.
Future. So, this ratio is given as 22:13, correct? Now to simply make a cross equation and get the value X.
Yes.
Perfect. Solve everybody. I'll also try and we'll give the answer. So, your equation becomes 2X plus 8, 2X plus 8 by X plus 8, and that is given as 22 versus 13. See, that's why I should write with keyboard. 22 by 13 So cross multiply. Okay, let me write with the keyboard. So 13 into 2, 26x plus 13 8 104. I don't take a common this time. 22x plus 22. Got everybody like this? Correct. So 26 minus 22 is 4x. Sorry, 4x. Everybody got x equal to 18, and that is more than enough to get my value. Kavita's present age. If x is 18, obviously present age would be 36. Everybody got it? If I ask one more question here now, what was Sarita's age 7 years ago? Then Sarita age 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Money, 7 years ago. Yes. Divya, how it's 11?
Sir, x equals to 18.
X equal to 18. Yeah, this is 18. 7 years ago, 11. So with x, we can get any of this row, right? Superb. So everybody is okay on this? Let's move one more question and then we'll do the question on coins. These all questions are very, very easy. Let's do one last question before we move on to problem on coins and then problem on numbers similar way. Please try.
So,
Yes.
I don't understand this.
What?
Another question.
So, okay, I'll follow this next question. I'll explain you. Okay, Mudit? It's all exactly same. I'll tell you step by step. We've done last question also step by step. I'll explain you.
So that was not Mudit.
Who are speaking? Mudit, Maitreya?
I didn't know Matthew.
Sorry, who are speaking? Mudit or Maitreya?
I am Mudit.
Solve this, everybody. So, Mudit, Maitreya, unmute. I'll tell you how to do any of this question, okay? Answer specifically what I ask. Okay? First, who we have? We have father and son. Okay? Past. Past means they given 6 years ago. Present. Who is speaking? Madit or Maitreya? Who want to solve with me? Who has a doubt?
So I had a doubt. I'm one. sorry, M2.
So listen carefully. There are two people given, father and son, correct?
Yes.
Read the first line.
The ratio of the age of a father and son is 17/7.
So that is the present age ratio. Okay.
Okay.
So 17 is father. There is a ratio only, not the age. 17 versus 7. No, any question on problem ages, we always use a variable x or y. So suppose say father age is 17x, ratio 7x is son. That is the present age, okay?
Okay.
Because is. So present age is sub. No, tell me, Maitreya, if your present age is 10,
Yes.
what was your age 1 year ago?
9.
2 years ago?
8.
What you are doing? You are doing -1, -2, right?
Yes.
If I ask same question, if your present age is 10, what is your age after 3 years?
The age after 3 years.
Plus 3, 13 you are doing, right?
Yes.
So similarly, if I say father's age is present 17x, son's age present is 7x. So tell me 6 years ago, what would be age of father 6 years ago?
What the age of father 6 years ago would be 11.
17x, Maitreya, not 17, 17x. So if it is 17, it becomes 17 minus 6, right?
Yes.
So similarly, if it is 17x, it becomes 17x minus 6. Concept should remain same, right?
Yes.
If the age is y, it becomes y minus 6. Similarly, son, if son was 7x today, what is son's age 6 years ago?
7x minus 6.
Correct. And they said 6 years ago the ratio of their age, ratio of these two age. So ratio, let me put ratio in between. And that is given as how much?
3/1.
3:1. So this is what question given now. 17x minus 6, ratio 7x minus 6 equal to 3:1. Ratio means always a division, right? So how
Yes.
you write 17x minus 6 ratio? So you write 17x minus 6 ratio means division by 7x minus 6, right?
Yes.
And that is given as 3:1 means 3/1. You already said that.
Yeah.
Till now, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir, it's
We
clear.
have just put this thing what is given here, okay? So how to solve cross multiply? Multiply this with this, this with this. So when you multiply 3 with this, what is 3 into 7x?
3 into 7.
3 into 7x is 21x minus 3 into 6, 18.
21.
I am only doing the cross multiply, this with this. That is equal to multiply 1 with this. So this is algebra, okay? So this is algebra. If you not learned already, you learn in your school in few years, maybe next year. And that is equal to 17x minus 6. I just cross multiply. Now we have to solve the equation. So 17x goes to 21x, 21x minus 17x is 4x, 18 goes here, 24. So x is 6. Now this equation part we are not doing today. This I assume everybody knows.
2 plus 8, 12 होगा.
21x minus 17, 4x. 6 plus 18, 24. So x is 6. So what is the question is asking? Question is asking father's present age.
Yes.
Present age is
17.
17x.
It should be 3.
X should be 3.
X should be 3. You are right. But y should be 3.
Plus 18 will go this side, will plus 18.
Dekho, 21x minus 17x.
Minus
21 minus 17 is 4, na?
minus 18 will go to the right
This
side.
will become 12. You are right. This will become 12. Because 18 minus 6, 12. You are right. So x equal to 3 overall. Correct? So
or
everybody got x equal to 3. Method x equal to 3, right?
yes, sir.
If you got x equal to 3, what will the question want? Father's percentage. Percentage is how much here?
19x.
17x. So x is 3, 17x is 17 into 3, 51. So every question same way we are doing, okay?
Okay.
Form an equation and get the value. So everybody got 51. That's simple.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now I am going to do question on coins. All GTG, AJs you can do easily.
But shouldn't it be 3x?
What is 3x?
No, 3x is equal to, no, like, you subtracted 21x minus 18, right?
Correct.
Yeah, but it should be 4x, not, I mean 3x, not 4x.
अरे 21x minus 17 कितना होता है? 4 होता है ना?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next, everybody will start doing the problem on coins now. Very easy. I am going to tell you how this works. See, problem on coins, very careful. There are two things very important. One is the number of coins. One is the value of the coin. Both are totally different. Now, how it works is, let me write this. Number of coins. Mute, please. Value of coins. Mute. Number of coins, value of coins. And I write here coins denomination. Means which type of coins are there. Now, how to solve this question is very, very easy. A bag contains 1 rupee, 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins. So there are three types of coins, guys. I'll convert everything into paisa. So 1 rupee means 100 paisa, then 50 paisa and 25 paisa. These three different types of coins are there, everybody. That is only denomination. They say a bag contains this much coin in the ratio 2:3:5. So that is given as the ratio of number of coins, right? So you can say 2x, 3x, 5x. And the total value. Now tell me everybody first, if I have 2x coin, number of coins are 2x. Each coin is cost 100 paisa, the value. So what will the value of this 100 paisa coins total? $200x, right? 200x, because value of one coin is 2x. Sorry, value of one coin is 100 and total number of coins are 2x. So 100 into 2x, this p just to explain you guys. So don't get confused, p. There is the denomination. So number of coins are 100. Number of coins are 2x. And the value of each coin is 100. So total money is 200x here. What is the value of 50 paisa coins? 50 into 3x, right? What is the value of 25 paisa coins? Agree, everybody? This is the value of the coins in paisa. This is the number of coins. So what they given? Total value. Total value given is 152 rupees or this much paisa, right? And what is our total value coming as? Our total value is coming is 200x plus 150x plus 125x. $475x equal to 15200. Get the value of x. It will just give the value of x only, the variable x. It will give me only the value of variable x, nothing else. $32. What 32 is? 32 is just the value of x. Question is, what is the value of 50 paisa coin? So how will you find out 50 paisa coin value? $32 is the x value, right, Shubhi? Question is, find the value of 50 paisa coin. The value of 50 paisa coin is 150x. So just do 150x, 150 into 32. So answer would be, that's it. $4800 paisa or rupees 48. You can use the point also. If you feel point is more easy, which I also feel points are more easy, it's no paisa, you can write in the value of point. But I am not using decimal so that it becomes easy for you. If I ask you next question now, so answer for this question is 48, right? If I ask you how many total number of coins, tell me how many total number of coins? Then what you will say? No. Right, Divya, because if you see total number of coins, everyone here, I have 2x coins of $2x coins of 100 paisa or 1 rupee, 3x coins of 50 paisa, 5x coin of 25 paisa. So how many total coins are I have? 5x plus 3x plus 2x. Total coins I have 10x. X already I got. X is 32. So 320 coins. That's it. If I ask you, what is the value of 1 rupee coin? Then next question, value of 1 rupees coins. What you will say? Write in rupees, Divya. 64. Because total value is 200x. 200x. 200x, x is 32. 6400 paisa or 64 rupees. If I ask you how many 25 paisa coins, how many, Shubhi, how many 25 paisa coins?
So 5 into 32.
That's it. 32 into 5. Okay, x is 32. My coins are 5x. That's it. Understood, everybody, how to do coins question? Coins question is very easy. You have to just get two different things. You have to get number of coins. You have to get number of coins of each type and value of coins. That's it. Let me form another question of my own. Give me 1 second and then we will do, okay? Let me make one question for you, similar type. Say, So let me make a question. This time you will solve. Wait, I'll modify this as per my own. A bag contains 1 rupees, 2 rupee, and 5 rupee. Coins in the ratio, say 10:5:1. Total number of coins. Total number of coins is say 32. Find the value of ₹2 coin. Try everybody. Very easy question. Similar question. I made this question just to make it easy for you. What is value of ₹2 coins? You can solve easily, right, everybody? What happened, guys? Still not everyone solved. Shubham, your audio works? No. Divya, you will solve this?
Yes, sir.
So rupees 1, 2, 5 and other denomination. We'll write here the quantity value. Okay? Read the question and tell me what should write where.
A bag contains 1 rupee, 2 rupee, and 5 rupees coins in the ratio 10:5:1.
Correct. So the ratio is given of quantity or the value?
Quantity.
Correct. So number of coins. So 10:5:1. Agree?
Yes.
Next what?
Total number of coins is 32.
Good. So can we use some variable here? We'll say number of coins of rupees 1 are 10x,
5x,
5x,
1x,
and 1x or x. And the given
16x.
total number of coins. This is given as 32, right?
Yes. 16x equals to 32.
Right. Sum of all this. Somebody will ask, sir, how 16x? 10x plus 5x plus x. Because total number of coins are this many. 16x. And that is given as 32. So what is x?
X equals to 2. X
X
equals
equal to
to
2.
32 by 16.
So x equal to 2, right?
Yes.
Can I write the value also here? What will be value of the 1 rupees coin? 10x into 1, agree?
Yes.
What will be value of 2 rupees coin?
5x into 2.
So 10x. What will be value of the 5 rupees coin?
5x into 1.
Correct?
5x. Yes.
So now we got x, we got value. What is the final thing we need?
The value of 2 rupees coins is
What is value of 2 rupees coin?
10x into 2. 28.
So 10x. X is 2. So answer would be 10 into 2, 20 rupees. That's it. Right, Divya?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it? Rupees 20 is the answer for this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now tell me, everybody, tell me, Dhanya, what would be, how much, not what would be, how much total money in the bag? Dhanya, explain to everybody.
Okay, sir.
How are you going to do this?
Total money 35x.
Total money is?
35x, sir.
How? Because total money means the total value of the money, right?
Yes, sir.
That is 10x plus 10x plus 5x.
Yes, sir.
So let me write here. Total value equal to 10x. I am writing every step, so don't tell me I didn't understood then. 10x plus 10x plus 5x. So total money is 25x. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And x you already
Into
know.
2.
Right. So total money is rupees 50. Easy, right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Dhanya. Now, if I ask you next question, what is the value of 5 rupees coins? What is the value of 5 rupees coins in the bag? Rishabh. What I'm trying to tell everybody is, problem on coins, if you can just separate out value and quantity, it becomes too easy. Rishabh, where are you? Should we explain value of 5 rupees coins?
So 5x into 2, that is 10. Because 5
Because
into
we already
2.
got this 5x. Because we already put this row for the value. So value of 5 rupees coin is 5x. You are right?
Yes.
X is 2, so 10. Very easy or not now?
Yes.
Thank you everyone. Next, move on now. Is everyone okay? Let's do problem on numbers. Obviously, this question will become difficult. Let's see how you do it. It's a mixed fraction, so be very careful. Problem on numbers. I'll make it proper and then I'll tell you what it is. Two numbers are in the ratio 1 means it is like 1. It is 1.5, guys. Let me remove the bracket. 1.5 to 2 2/3. Okay, mixed fraction. When each of them is increased by 15, they become the ratio. Ratio becomes, let me write it, 1 2 by 3 versus 2.5. That is the way of writing. Find out the greater of the number. Again, I am saying this is a mixed fraction. 1.5 to 2/3, 1 2/3, and 2.5. Try everyone. Try everybody, please. No one else? So, yeah, it is little difficult. See, two numbers, the ratio. First, the ratio is given. What we'll do is, I'll ask you specific question, everybody. You just tell me. First, convert this into Improper fraction. Shubhi, how much this will be? Improper fraction.
So 3 by 2.
3 by 2, right?
Yes.
Correct. This ratio. Tell me, Siddharth, what will be 2 by 3 in the improper fraction? Convert, that's it. Siddharth. 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction, convert into improper. How much it will be? Tell me quickly, Divya. 2 by 3 is
8 by
8
3.
by 3. So this is the original ratio. To simplify, what is this? 3 by 2 into 3 by 8, correct? Or you can say the original ratio is 9 by 16. What we are telling is, when the two numbers in the ratio, so two numbers in the ratio, 9 is to 16. Agree, everybody? This is the meaning of the first line itself. My two numbers in the ratio, 1.5 by 2, means they are in the ratio 9 is to 16. When each of them is increased by 15, when this is increased by 15, this is increased by 15. We are talking about two numbers, first number and second number. So tell me, Shubhi, if you increase both the numbers by 15, what by first number becomes?
So 24.
Nah,
Sorry?
it's the ratio 9 and 16.
Yes, sir.
So we should say, okay, it's like that. Shubhi, it's a ratio, it's not an actual numbers.
Okay.
First, second. First number is 9, second number is 16. This is a ratio.
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever ratio is there, we make it number as putting the variables, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is 9x and 16x.
Yes, sir.
So first number increased by 15. So
So
9x
9x
plus,
plus 15.
good. Second one,
16x plus 15.
correct. So we don't add directly
Yes,
because
sir.
they are the ratio. Ratio cannot be just directly added.
Yes.
So my numbers becomes now 9x plus 15 and 16 plus 15. And their ratio is given as something else, correct? So let me write. What is the ratio given? So ratio of these two numbers are 9x plus 15 by 16x plus 15. And that ratio is given as what, Shubhi? This. Can you convert, Shubhi, this into mixed fraction?
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
mixed into improper?
Yes, sir.
कितना होगा 1 2 by 3
5 by 3.
5 by 3 तो ये हुआ
और
Ratio.
दूसरा भी बता दो.
this one
Yes, sir. 5 by 2.
5 by 2. This is the final equation, guys. और 5 by 3 5 by 2 को how can we simplify? 2 by 3.
5 by.
Got everybody? 5 by 3 into 2 by 5 5 cancel 2 by 2. So my equation becomes this finally 9x plus 15 by 16 15 equal to 2 by 3. Can you cross multiply, Shubhi, and
Yes,
solve
sir.
this? Can you tell me how?
Sir,
First.
9.
9x plus 15 into 3. So 9
Yes.
3 27x plus 15 3 45
Yes, sir.
equal to 16x plus 15 into 2.
So 16
32x.
to the 32x plus 15 to the 30.
30. Correct?
Yes, sir.
तो कितना हुआ ये 30 में से 5x
हाँ.
में से 15.
Yes, sir.
X
Is
equal
equal to
to
3.
x equal to 3. We question is the greater of the number is. So x is the 3.
Yes, sir.
If x is the 3,
So we'll put the x value in the equations, no? Like
Exactly.
9x plus 15.
but what we need, this is the original numbers. This is the number
Yes.
after modification. So where you will put? You will put it here.
First, 9 into x, that will
So
be
this number become 9 into x 27.
27. And the other one will be
16 into
648.
48.
So for the second one is the bigger one.
So answer is this. That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
Again, it's a question of ratio with simplifying the ratio using the fourth question. Thank you, Shubhi.
Thank
So
you.
tell me any confusion, anyone? First of all, fractions to the improper fractions you can simplify. After that, only point was whether each of these is increased by 15. So, if it is 9x, 9x plus 15. 16x, 16x plus 15. So tell me, is all clear or doubt? Go through it again and ask me. Tell me GTG or doubt? Good to go? Let's try one more. It's all about problem numbers based on the ratios or percentage. Please try this. Everyone, please.
So can you just go back to that other slide? I didn't understand. I just didn't understand the other slide.
What? It is too late now. See, I asked so many times. Otherwise, I'll not be able to do this, Mudit, Maitreya. I'm asking everyone what you should ask immediately any particular steps if you're facing difficulty, na? Correct? Immediately you ask me, sir, this step, ask me, or whichever concept is the problem. Follow this. Try to solve this question. It's a ratio question. That's it. The student in the three classes, ratio 4:6:9. For every question, we always make it how we can make the numbers into ratio. Mudit, read the first line. Mudit, read it.
The students in three classes are in the ratio 4:6:9.
Correct. Wait. Now, Mudit, whenever the ratio is given, I said in my first class of ratio, the ratio is not the actual quantity. It's a reference only. Correct? So ratio is 4:6:9 doesn't mean the students are 4, 6 and 9. Right,
Yes, sir.
Mudit? So how we convert the ratio into actual numbers?
We can convert them using variables.
Exactly. So it becomes 4x, 6x,
9x.
9x. So now you can say number of students in class A is 4x, number of students in class B is 6x, number of students in class C is 9x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now read the second line.
If 12 students are increased in each class, the ratio changes to 7:9:12. Means
So
after
after increase.
7x, is to 9x is to 12x.
No.
Wait, no. You have to
Let
add
me do
that.
later. If 12 students are increased, tell me if in the class 4x students were there earlier.
Should be 11x.
No. Wait. I'm asking a simple question. Let's answer that. Okay. How
Yes,
many
sir.
students were there in the class earlier?
4x.
No. How many are increased?
7x.
No. Read. I think don't go to 7. I'm not talking. I'm talking about read the second line only.
Yeah.
Read second line again. If 12 students are increased, 12 students increased, right? Mudit, where did you went? 12 students are increased, 4x becomes 4x plus 12. 6x becomes 6x plus 12. All ratio works like this. 9x becomes 9x plus 12. And that ratio is given as, the ratio after the increase is given as 7, 9 and 12. This is given as 7, 9 and 12. So this is total different way of solving.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Mudit?
Yes, sir.
So don't try to see 4x was there to become plus 12. 4x plus 12. 6x becomes 6x plus 12. And that ratio is given this. How to solve this? Very easy. Listen carefully, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Take any two ratios. Take any two ratios and compare. That's it. What we're going to do with it here? My first ratio 4x plus 12 by 6x plus 12. And what is that is? 7 by 9. Listen very carefully, guys. We can take out of 3, 2 only. It's our choice. Correct? So, Mudit, what I did? I taken this two ratio. So, this two value of ratio.
Yes, sir.
Now we cross multiply. You know how to cross multiply, right?
Yeah.
Let's say. So, 7 into 6x.
7 into 6x is
42x. Plus 7 into 12. 84.
Yes, sir.
Equal to, now we multiply 9 with the top ratio 4x plus 12. Cross multiplication works like this. 9 into 4, 36x.
6x.
12 into 9,
8.
1. So 42x minus 36x, 6x.
Yes, sir.
108 minus 84, 24. X is. So how we solve this question now? X is 4.
Yes, sir.
What are they asking? Read the last line, Mudit.
Then the total number of students in 3 classes before the increase.
Before the increase. So before the increase is this one or this one?
It's the first ratio, which is
This
4x.
one, correct?
Is 9x. Yeah.
So how much is total? 4x plus 6x plus 9x. Total is how much?
It is 19x.
Total is 4x plus 6x plus 9x. 19x. Do you got the value of x already?
Yeah, it's 4. So it's 19 into 4.
So total students are 76 before the increase. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Right, Mudit? So what we need is only forming the ratios. That's it.
Okay, that's you.
That's easy. Every question we'll have to do like this, guys. Thank you, Mudit. Anyone, any question? Ask me, please. Any question, any doubt, any step?
So,
Yes, please.
so we didn't took the 12th rate, the third ratio, that is 12th. Why?
So that's a good question, Shubhi. Dekho. Shubhi, that's the art of solving the problems. Shubhi, ये एक ratio दिया है. This. Sorry. देखो. This 3 ratio are given.
Yes, sir.
And this 3 ratio is equal to this 3, right?
Yes, sir.
You can choose any 3, any 2 out of 3. If you are choosing second and third, suppose you are choosing second and third, you can choose second and third. If you are choosing first and third, answer will always be same. Try. If you try these 2 also, you'll get same answer. That's the beauty of ratio.
Okay.
So, जब हमको variable एक ही दिया, right?
Hmm.
So why we have to अगर कहीं भी y होता then you need two equation. एक variable the equation काफी है, right? So use any two. I'll give one more example. I'll give one more example. Shall I erase this, everybody?
Yes.
Shubhi देखो, and everybody, if I say A is to B is to C, Shubhi
Yes.
is 1 is to 2 is to 3. ठीक है Shubhi?
Yes.
Answer me what I am going to ask you now. And this will clarify your doubt. What is A is to B then? What is A by B?
1/2.
3 कहाँ गया?
सब तो थर्ड का रेशियो है ना.
वही तो तुमने वही क्वेश्चन पूछा है. B by C कितना होगा?
2/3.
फर्स्ट कहाँ गया? करेक्ट?
Okay.
यही हमने किया है. या फिर मैं पूछूं A by C कितना होगा?
1/3.
करेक्ट? So out of 3 you can take any 2 at a time.
Okay.
वही एग्जैक्टली किया है.
Okay. Like that.
This two, so this two. That's the way of solving question. And you can use tell any question. Very good question, but because otherwise people would not have to ask that. Anybody any question? So whenever 3 ratios are given, you can always take 2 at a time and solve it. That's the easiest way to solve problems. So very interesting question. Problem on ratios versus numbers. Try. I know some of you will solve it very easily. Some may struggle. Try. We'll talk about it then. Who can solve this? Anyone, any idea how you do it? I'll tell you a simple thing. You know the ratio share method? We talked about it. A share, B share. Just use that. So experiment ratio. Meghna, any idea? Let's solve. Meghna, we'll solve with you. Unmute.
Okay, sir.
देखो Meghna, maybe you joined in the December, right?
Yes, sir.
In the November, I talked about number system ratio percentage. देखो Meghna, it's very easy how ratio works. A, B, basic concept of ratio. Meghna, what is ratio given?
2:3:4.
And I am going to tell you something which is very, very important for any problem in the ratio. Means if you use this method, you can solve partnership problems or this kind of word problem ratio very easy. So A is to B is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 है, right? It is, I call it share में, A share. जो total जितना भी amount होगा वो 1 हो या 1000 हो, doesn't matter. How much A's part here? 2 part. 2. Total parts कितने हैं? दोनों तीनों को मिला के कितने parts हो total? 2 plus 3 plus 4. कितना हुआ? 2 plus 3 plus 4. 9. तो जो भी टोटल होगा ना A को मिलेगा उसका 2 by 9. कितना भी टोटल हो. सपोज कोई मनी है 900 तो A को मिलेगा 2 by 9 of 900. अगर 9000 है तो A को मिलेगा 2 by 9. ऐसे बताओ B का शेयर कितना होगा इसमें? 3 by 9. 3 of 9, correct? What is C share here?
4 by 9.
4 by 9. That is the basic concept, guys. Yes, Danya, I am doing 90% English. Little bit of Hindi also I talk. I said some say I'll do Hindi, English mix, but most of the English, okay? So this we already talked about Danya earlier. So A share is this, B share is this, C share is this. Everybody knows that. Share of what? Of total amount. The total amount is X. Of X is also of X. Agree? Total amount we don't know, so we can assume X.
Yes, sir.
So this is what? So it means what? A certain amount was to distribute among ABC in the ratio this, but irrationally distributed in the ratio. So ideally A should have got 2 by 9 of X, right? B should have got 3 by 9 of X. But erroneously what they got? Let's put another ratio now here. Another ratio which erroneously they got. Can you tell me again, Meghna? The erroneously how much?
7 ratio 2 ratio.
7 ratio 2 ratio 5.
A का ratio 7 है. Yes, sir.
A's will be 7 out of how much?
Sir, 7 out of 9. Sir, it is 14.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
B, what about B?
So B 2 by 14.
What about C?
C 5 upon 14.
Here we don't need all, but I'm just explaining for the concept perspective. Now read the question, you will
Yes,
get it.
sir.
So how much B got? B got this much.
Sir, S 40 less.
So B got this, B was supposed to get this much, right?
Yes, sir.
But how much B got? This much.
Yeah.
And this says, result B received 40 less. So difference of this minus this should be 40, right?
Yes, sir.
Because whatever B got and whatever B is supposed to get, the difference is 40. Let's do that. So this is how much? 2x by 14 he got, minus 3x by 9 he should have got. 3x by 9, right? And the difference is 40. Correct? 2 by 14 of x means 2x by 14. 3 by 9 over 3. So every question we can do that. So this is what will get value x is the answer when we solve it. Let's solve it. Become x by 7. It become x by 3 equal to 40. Make a cross equation. Actually it should be ulta because 3 by 9x is what supposed to get. He got 40 less. So it should be ulta. It should be minus here. Three x by 9 is supposed to get. He got 2x by 40. 40 less he got. So it become not the normal way of solving question, guys. X by 7 is 40. How much it will be? 7 minus 7x minus is 21. Cross multiply, do how you do normal question. 4x. 4x by 21 is 40. When you solve, you'll get value of x. Understood, Meghna?
Yes,
so
sir.
more than the solution, Meghna, what I was saying is ratio. Ratio works like this. Suppose if certain amount of dividing into H to B to ratio, if I ask how much C will get 4 part out of the total part. 4 part out of 9 part. Whatever total is.
Okay, sir.
Total is 10,000. So C will get 4 by 9 of 10,000. That is the meaning of this ratio always. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Everybody got it? So we got, see, question was what? Listen carefully, everybody, the question now. Question was talking about a certain amount was to be distributed. We don't know how much amount, so X is the variable. In the ratio this, but divided in the ratio given. Suppose if 2:3:4 is the ratio, how much B should get? B should get 3 parts out of 9 parts. 9 because 2 plus 3 plus 4. So B should get 3 by 9 of X. What is 3 by 9 of X? 3X by 9. This much B should have got. But B received in the ratio 7:2:5. What is B's part here? 2 part out of, again, 14. So B got only 2X by 14. And they clearly said the difference was 40 less. Means whatever he should get minus whatever he actually got is 40. Now how to solve this equation is your choice. How you want to solve. Whichever way you want to solve. Get the value of X. That's it. Please ask me question if anybody has.
So,
Yes, please.
so we will solve it by 4 by 9 into 210, no?
Not 4 by 9.
Yes, sir?
When you solve this,
Yes, sir.
you get X by 3 minus X by 7 equal to 40, right?
Yes, sir.
3 and 3 cancel here.
हाँ.
2 and ये तो clear X by 3 minus X by 7 equal to 40.
Yes, sir.
कैसे solve करेंगे उसको? शुभी?
Yes, sir.
फ्रैक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करते हैं? मैंने बताया था. देखो, LCM का मेथड नहीं. I told you another method. Everybody, I told this method in my elementary class also.
Yes, sir. I know the cross multiplication. I did that, and we got
So,
X is equal to 210.
So what is the problem then?
So, but how
7X
we'll get the
minus 3X.
actual amount?
I'll tell you. So 4X by 20 is 40, right?
Yes, sir.
So X is 210, no problem at all, right?
No, sir.
Now what is the question?
So, what is the actual amount?
Actual amount means how much B should have received.
So, that is 210.
210 is X only. How much B should have got?
So, how we'll get that?
3 by 9 of X.
3 by 9. 3 by 9.
3 by 9 of
into
210. Correct. So 1/3 of it 70 rupees. Got it? 70.
Okay, sir.
Because finally B share should be this only, right? 3/9 or 1/3.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Should be clear,
Okay,
hai na?
हाँ, sir, clear.
Is everyone okay?
So now we'll do X by, 70 plus 40 or 70 minus 40, sir.
See, nothing. You got X is 210. No, nothing is done. How much is B share?
So B shares will be 3 by 9 into 210. That will
That's
be
it.
70.
That's it. Nothing else required.
Okay.
Because we need only B share.
Okay, okay.
That's it. So now guys, before we move on to more questions, I want to do the extra class plan. I am proposing this. We'll try to make most of you accommodate. See, it was every one or two, some people might have, but we'll try to accommodate most of the people because Sunday class last week could not do. So extra class plan which I am proposing is this. We will do today's what? Sunday, right? 27th. We may do on Tuesday. You can choose a day. I am proposing Tuesday, 29 December, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. depending upon how much we need. That's what I'm proposing it. Tell me, all of you are okay because who have joined it? I'll propose this and we'll start. We can do Thursday also. We can do Wednesday also, but Tuesday is better. Finish it 29 December. Tell me, quickly tell me everybody. Everybody okay? Then I'll log this. Tuesday, day after tomorrow, 7 to 9 p.m. That's it. Okay. Log, sir, log, sir. Meghna, your office is till when? Meghna, Shivam. Speak, please. Meghna, Shivam, only except two. Everybody is okay. So I have to see which one. Because next Sunday, we cannot wait till next Sunday. Next Sunday again, when January will start, right? We'll start January classes. Saturday, you said you're not available, most of you, so I have not planned it. So only option is in the weekdays, 7 to 9 or 8 to 10. But 8 to 10, some people are saying late. I'm okay with it, but tell me, Meghna.
Yes, sir.
Your office is till when?
Sir, actually, I have come on 8:30.
8:30.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
But 8:30 to 10:30 will too late, na?
Yes, sir.
Cannot one day you can do little here and there.
Sir, can you put this on Saturday?
Saturday we planned last time. Most of these people said no, sir. You also said no. Correct? Last Saturday I said I proposed it.
Yes, sir, I know.
No, there is no Saturday coming which is in this week.
Yes, sir.
Initially I proposed Saturday only, but many people said, sir, we have office, we have something. You also said. That's why Saturday I'm not putting. So what you do is you can join from office little bit, whatever we can start from. I can know if not 7 to 9, I can do from 8 to 10. What do people says?
Sir, actually,
Let's do simple voting. 7 to 9, option 1. If people are okay to 8 to 10, we'll do option 1. You choose. Quickly tell me, but we have to log this, otherwise it will never happen.
the second one is good.
Yeah, I know,
8
but
to 10.
what do others? 8 to 10, everybody is okay? Tell me quickly, 8 to 10, okay, we'll do ask other way. 8 to 10, anybody, any problem? Then tell me now. We'll do 8 to 10. So, Meghna, you will not lose much. Okay. So, we'll log this one then, because nobody seems to have any problem on this. Okay? Perfect. So, our next class, for our last class for December would be Tuesday 8 to 10. This is gone. Thank you. 8 to 10. Okay. Done. So let's move on for the next question. I'll message on the WhatsApp group anyway. Let me marks up now itself. I'll forget otherwise. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So deep maths group as discussed. Our extra class will be on, it is for me also, on Tuesday, December 29th from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Same ID would be used, okay? And we are going to do speed distance time most probably. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, let's move on. Let's do a few more questions. Thanks. We have a quick decision now. And this problem on numbers, problem on edges, problem on coins are very important. You know that you get question in every exam. Let's try one more. Okay, where is my other? Give me 1 second. We'll do some more question on problem on edges and numbers. It's a very easy question, but still try everybody. I want you to be very sure about how compound ratio works. It will take hardly 30 seconds. Everyone must attempt or ask me if you have doubt. Please try everyone this. No answer yet, guys? It's too easy. Compound ratio, that's it. T-shirt. T-shirt to the trouser is given as 4:5. Okay. Jackets to T-shirt. Jackets to T-shirt is 3:8. Now tell me everybody, forget the next part. If this is given, T-shirt to trouser and jacket to T-shirt, can we make a combined ratio of T-shirt, trouser and jacket or not? What we talked about? Let's put T-shirt is common in both. Let's put T-shirt in the center. So I will change it. It becomes trouser versus T-shirt. Just to explain, I am doing otherwise, and it become 5:4. I just reversed it. Here also I'll reverse it. It become 8:3. It become T-shirt is to jackets. Now I have T-shirt in the middle. I can make a ratio which gives me trouser, T-shirt and jackets. How? Here it is 8, here is 4. So I multiply by 2 here. It becomes 10 and 8. Here no change. So finally, if you see this, my ratio of, let me write here in green, ratio of trouser, T-shirt, and these are the very easy question, jacket. So trouser is 10, T-shirt is 8, both ways, jacket. So I combine the ratio, right? I combined of 2 ratio into 1 is a compound ratio of trouser, T-shirt, jacket. Now, if ratio number of sweater to trouser, listen what he's saying. Sweaters to trouser is given as 6:5. What is ratio number of jackets to the sweater? Means what we have to do? We have to combine this ratio into the first ratio of these 3. That's it. Can you combine now? I done half of that. Easiest way to do this, write this here and write this here. Wait. So your trouser comes in center. Cannot you combine these two ratios? Keep trouser in middle, that's it. Combine these two ratios 2 into 1. So how will you combine this ratio to 1? Here trouser and trouser are common. So multiply with 2 here. So trouser become 10. So if you see, sweaters will become 12, trouser becomes 10. And if you see here, trouser anyway 10, 8, 3. So finally, if you write compound ratio of all the 4 together, let me write here in the black now. So if I write all the 4 ratio together, which is nothing but sweaters, trousers, t-shirt and jacket. Sweaters are 12, ratio trouser is 10, use any 10, t-shirt is 8, jacket is 3. The question is about what? Jackets to sweaters. Jackets 3, sweater 12. You'll say 3 is to 12 or 1 is to 4. Done. What do we need finally? We need ratio of number of jackets to number of sweaters. Jacket ratio is 3, 12. You can say 3 is to 12. Or if simplify, you say 1 is to 4. Done. It's only required the compound ratio, nothing else. Same compound ratio question I have given in the word problem rather than in the simple numbers. Was it difficult? No one could answer. Please ask me any doubt. Anyone, any confusion, don't hesitate, ask me please. So understood how to do pronoun edges, numbers, coins, all those? Every one of you? Tell me. Good to go. So in our next session on Tuesday, we should do this very important topic, which is problem on trend, speed, distance, time, relative speed, average speed. Okay? Very important topic. Difficult one little bit, but we'll try to make it as easy. I have 1 or 2 minutes. If you want, you can ask me any question. Anybody, any question you have. And today what we do is a core topic. Means this is a topic which most of the exam you get questions. Okay, everyone? Next month topic, I'll tell you what. Next month topic we are going to go. I know decided, I'll tell me on my WhatsApp in the group to everybody maybe on Tuesday. See, next month we can either go with algebra or geometry. Otherwise, the more advanced topic of arithmetic. You choose. I'll put a question to you people. What are topics you need in month of January? Okay, Siddharth. We can do also modern maths. We can do probability, permutation, combination, set to that also we get a lot of exams. So I'll propose, you people decide. We have to complete all the topics anyway. In January, we'll cover all those topics. You all can message me based on the majority of that. We'll decide. We'll not do any topic repeat. So boards and streams, boards and streams will be done in speed distance time Tuesday. CISI installment we have to do. So this is telling. So everybody message me, Shubhi, Divya, Mushahid, Mudit, Dhanya, Ritesh, everyone. Which topic you need in January? We will prioritize those topics. See, told your needs, guys. Initially, I started this November more about the basics of arithmetic. You need more. December is more about advanced arithmetic, how you apply the arithmetic. And January should be of all those modern maths or geometry or algebra or remaining topic of arithmetic. I'll propose modern maths more because you get a lot of questions and it is very interesting. So again, I leave it on you. We'll decide on after Tuesday's this discussion. We'll try and we'll make a overall, and I'll tell you on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes, modern maths means permutation, combination, probability, set theory. That is modern maths. So message me WhatsApp. That's the best way. Everybody, whatever comes to your mind, please message me. That will help you. See, all my courses are like that, right? It's your inputs. You message me, sir, I didn't do these topics. If this is not covered, we'll do it. If this is already covered, we'll not repeat now. Repetition after January. Okay? In January, we'll cover most of topics and then we'll take a call whether February, March, whether I want to do again workshop this or not. That we'll see timing. But January we'll do, depending on how many topics you need. Good enough then? Yes, Meghna, please message me. Okay? Shubhi, Rishabh, everyone. So that's all for today then. See you Tuesday.
Okay, sir.
Divya, in November we covered number system, percentage, profit loss, ratio, proportion, partnership. Okay? Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Enjoy your guys.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone. Bye bye.